We're watching a video on the crossing the membrane lab. Watching this video should allow you to finish your crossing the membrane lab if you were absent. By watching this video, you should be able to complete the questions, the day one data table, and then everything on the back of this worksheet. To start the lab, you need to make a dialysis tube cell, which we've already done. If you want to learn how to make the dialysis tube cell, watch the video for making a dialysis tube cell, which is also on my website. This cell, why it's important is it's an artificial cell, and it simulates a real human cell in that the cell membrane has tiny little holes in it that allow nutrients and waste materials and other substances to pass through. Go ahead and put that back in the water. So to do the lab, we're just going to run quickly through part one procedures. Student assistant number one is going to add iodine to the beaker of water. There's nothing else in that beaker except water in the cell. So she's going to add about 40 drops, and she's counting those off. While those drops of iodine are being added, you should notice what color the solution is turning. This is a pretty typical color for iodine to turn water. Good job. I'll give you a quick stir. Good. And then our next step is we're going to add a little bit of starch to the solution. When you add a little bit less than that, a little bit less. When you add starch, watch what happens to the solution as the starch goes into the solution. Iodine is an indicator for starch. So iodine helps you see starch if you don't know that starch is already there. And what you should be noticing is the color change as this iodine and the starch interact. Okay, give it a little bit of stir. And especially when we stir it, you'll notice the color has definitely changed. So student assistant number one is now going to add some glucose to the solution. You can add about two scoops like that. 1 and 2. And do you guys notice any immediate change when we add these?
No.
No, it doesn't seem to do anything. Go ahead and stir it up. Again, glucose and iodine doesn't look like it's doing anything. So right now you should be able to fill in your answers for question 1 and 2 and fill in the part 1 data table on the left side where all the substances are as we just put them in. And after you're done, you're going to make a prediction on where these substances are going to add up. You'll finish the backside of this lab by watching the second video. Sit stop.